Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hatch. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. And welcome back to Valentine's Week. In this video, we are going to digitize a really cute patch just in time for Valentine's Day. Now with patches, you can sew them on to jeans, say a pocket where you don't have to take it apart to do it. You can just hand sew it. You can put it on hats. You can glue it on the brim of a hat. You can personalize them. You can do so many things with it. So I'm going to show you how to do it really, really cute inside Hatch. So the first thing we want to do is digitize, and we want to grab a shape. And we want to grab a heart shape, of course. So let's grab the heart shape and let's make it how we want. Let's go right like that. I love it. It's perfect. The other thing I want to do is I want to bring a hoop up because I want to make sure I'm sizing it correctly, and this is the easiest way of doing it. Now, I haven't finished setting everything up. As much as I love it, I haven't finished setting everything up, but we're looking for 100 by 100, well, which is right there. So show hoop, manual, so we don't get messed up. There we go. See, now I was making it a little bit too big, so let's make our heart a little bit smaller, actually smaller again, because we are going to do something cool with it. So let's zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm going to close my Digitize and go to Applique. And because I created this shape myself, I can do convert to Applique, and wow, that was fast, wasn't it? Let's change the color because I'm happy with that. Let's do that again. How about we right click and slide and overlap our hearts just a little bit, and then we are going to select both of them and do partial applique. And that is seriously how easy it is to create an excellent patch with overlapping applique here inside Hatch. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? I'm really happy with that. And that's how easy it is. Now we could do this again. Let's do that again, and we could have 3 hearts in an applique. Except for that goes over a little bit. We can make this one a little smaller though, can't we? I'll be stitching this one out so you guys will be able to see how this works. Yeah, I don't really like the third one, so boop, delete it. We could select both of them by drawing a bounding box over both of them, and we can pull it out. Now, how pretty is that? Now, you can add lettering here. Let's do something nice for Dawn. Let's do something nice for Dawn. How about we do Dawn, and we'll put it up here, and I would like a fancier font, and be mine. Oh, I didn't do that right. So be mine Dawn, maybe? Dawn. Or, I know, I've got it. I love you. There we go. We're going to have to make that smaller. Click off, left click, right click, and drag. Place it there. This is how I work very quickly. Dawn. You don't have to select anything else. Now play around with the font. That is just kind of a boring block font. You can go through, you know, maybe a script. That's pretty thin. We could fix that up, mind you. Well, let's see, what else do we have? I won't be too long, don't worry. College applique. That is going to be another video because I think applique letters are awesome, and I think they work really well. D-text, yeah, how about something like that? Something groovy. I suppose it should be maybe more scripty, but hey, what are you gonna do? First of all, the color, ew, let's change that. Pink. Well, I guess I should make it more manly if I'm doing it for Dawn, but let's break apart these letters. So, and you can see once I break it apart, it separates it into words. So I love you. And what I want to do is grab that you over here. I'm going to make it a smidgen smaller because we don't want it hitting anything. And we can do the stitching. Why don't we do this? I love and I up there. Isn't that awesome? Okay, again with the green. Ew. Let's make it pretty. Let's make it pretty. So that is going to be an absolutely fantastic patch. Now we can watch it stitch out. It's going to give us all the lines and everything that we want. And there's our zigzag, which is perfect. Thank you. Let's speed that up just a little bit so we can see it. And then it is going to do, that's the underlay for the satin stitch, and it's going to start it properly and finish it properly. Fantastic. And it's going to do our satin stitches. So woohoo, very nice. And we want the satin stitches to stitch out first. Now I'm going to have to go and optimize this a little bit. So placement, tack down, there we go. Awesome. Awesome. So you can send, because we created all this natively in Hatch, you can send your applique parts to your cutter, or you can manually cut them on the machine, anything that you want. But because we created this in Hatch, natively in Hatch, you have a lot more options. So play around with your fonts, play around with it. I will be stitching this out for Don and we'll see what he says about it. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys will get making patches in Hatch and making Valentine's Day patches. Let me know what you're using them for. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!